Do you want to learn point-of-care echo and get Category 1 continuing medical education credit? Then check out my online video course. Point-of-care echo is a 2-hour online video course that teaches the basics of echocardiography in 16 short, manageable lessons. I begin with basic cardiac anatomy and then obtaining images. You will learn about left ventricular function, calculating the ejection fraction, and wall motion abnormalities. I also cover the right ventricle, color flow Doppler, valvular abnormalities, pericardial and pleural effusions, masses, vegetations, and thrombi, the inferior vena cava, and aortic dissections. You don't just memorize images, but learn to scrutinize normal and abnormal findings. I teach the same course to cardiology fellows during their first month of echo training. Point-of-care echo is available 24/7, 365 from any device and is like having one-on-one training from a cardiologist. For more information about the course and topics, please read below.